Hindi lang dream come true, kundi marami ring lessons na natutunan si Ariana Grande sa kanyang role sa pelikulang Wicked. Yan, at singing skills ng mga Pinoy ang ilan sa napag-usapan nila ng kanyang co-star na si Cynthia Erivo sa personal interview ni Lin Ching. Narito ang chika. You're great.
I am.
Inaabangan na sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo ang movie adaptation ng Broadway musical, The Wicked. Starring Ariana Grande as Galinda at Cynthia Erivo as Elphaba.
Miss Elphaba, you can room with Miss Galinda.
Oh, popular. I know about popular. Oh, I saved you some space.
Base sa mga karakter mula sa Wizard of Oz,
You're the one the wizard has been waiting for.
ang Wicked ay kwento ng unlikely friendship sa pagitan ng dalawang totally different individuals
Wear this.
at ang kanilang journey of self-discovery.
Something has changed within me.
Sina Ariana at Cynthia nakachikahan ko pagkatapos ng kanilang Australian movie premiere.
At 11, you said you wanted to be Galinda, and now that you are, how has being Galinda changed your life?
She has such a fierce belief of self, and she is kind but unapologetically who she is. And I think that maybe before I might have been a little bit timid or apologetic and scared to take up any sort of space. And I think that Glinda taught me that it's okay. It's okay.
Come with me. What? To meet the wizard.
Dahil sa Wicked, naging matalik na magkaibigan ng dalawa at kitang-kita ito sa bawat kilos nila.
We're very lucky. I feel like we know some very beautiful people, but of course
We have,
each other.
yeah.
Of course we have each other.
definitely, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Magic is my word for Wicked. What word for you encapsulate your entire Wicked experience?
Empathy.
I'm gonna say acceptance. Yeah. Of self and of others.
Si Ari nakapunta na dati sa Pilipinas nang mag-concert siya rito twice. Pero si Cynthia, never pa daw.
We'll make our way.
Oh yeah, no, I
Yes.
haven't been and I really want to come.
Philippines has the best beaches if you love beaches.
And just the most loving,
Loving
people,
people,
in the
oh my
whole world.
goodness.
Pero pareho daw silang hanga sa talento ng mga Pilipino sa pagkanta.
And Filipinos are the best singers in the
Yes,
world.
no, they do.
No, honestly, they have
You
the best
are-
voices too.
Because this is the tribute they want.
Oh, see what I'm saying?
Goosebumps.
We love you too. Oh my gosh.
Thank you so
That
much.
was stunning.
That's amazing.
That was beautiful.
That's gorgeous.
Those harmonies at the end.
Wow.
That was stunning. Thank you for sharing.
Bago magtapos ang aking interview, may binigay akong gift na bracelet sa dalawa. Ang kay Ari, nakalagay ang message na dreams do come true. Ang kay Cynthia, isang message naman na isang quote mula sa kanyang ina.
Oh my goodness.
I saw your mom's, you posted about your mom, and
It's sunny today and I'm happy.
Oh my
that made me
gosh.
happy.
It's such a sweet thing.
Positive.
Yeah.
It's just so positive and happy.
This is so thoughtful. Thank you
sweet.
so much.
Welcome. Thank you.
At mukhang na-appreciate ni Cynthia ang aking gift na pinost pa niya sa kanyang Instagram. Palabas ng Wicked sa November 20. Lin Ching updated sa Showbiz Happenings.
Hello, Love! New record! May bagong achievement agad ang pelikulang Hello, Love Again ni Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo. Ang collaboration film ng GMA Pictures at Star Cinema nakapag-set ng bagong box office record as the highest first-day grossing local film. Certified blockbuster dahil kumita agad ng over 85 million pesos sa opening pa lang kahapon. Showing na ang film sa mahigit 600 cinemas nationwide at ipapalabas din sa mahigit 400 cinemas abroad this November. Beyond grateful naman sa love and support si Alden na dumalo sa Sparkle Block screening ng kanyang film kanina. Lilipad daw sila ni Kat sa susunod na linggo papuntang US and Canada para sa screening doon ng Hello Love Again. Biyahing Dubai din sila sa first week of December.
Kath and I are very happy po that we were able to deliver and we were able to bring justice to the role of Ethan and Joy again. Pasasalamat po kay Lord at pasasalamat po sa mga taong naghintay at nanood ng aming pelikula. So we give out all the credits to them. And maraming salamat po because lahat ng pinaghirapan namin nasusulit because of the support that we've been getting.
On the road to be stronger and braver si Rita Daniela, kasunod ng paghain ng reklamo laban sa aktor na si Archie Alemania. Sa kabila ng bigat ng pinagdaraanan, ibinahagi ni Rita ang kanyang source of strength. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
I'm really trying my best to be okay because I have to. I have to be okay. I have no choice because, syempre, there's a person na who's depending on me. If bibigay ako, mas kawawa si Uno, mas kawawa yung anak ko.
Nagpapakita man ng katapangan, mababakas pa rin sa mga mata ni Rita Daniela ang bigat at hirap ng kanyang pinagdaraanan ngayon. Kamakailan ay nag-file ng reklamong acts of lasciviousness si Rita laban sa aktor na si Archie Alemania. Nagpapakatatag pero di raw maiwasang umabot siya sa puntong di alam kung paano uusad.
There are days na hindi ko din napipigilan, bumibigay ako bilang tao. I am trying my best and starting to have counseling, and therapy. So anything that I can do to really help myself to move forward and be stronger and braver than ever.
Wala raw choice si Rita kundi mag-move forward. Pero hindi raw ito nangangahulugan na kalilimutan niya ang pangyayari. Ginagawa rin daw niya ito para sa mga kababaihan na hindi nabigyan ng boses na ipaglaban ng kanilang karapatan.
There are women na talagang lumalapit sa akin and they would just commend yung nangyari and they've been telling me personally na, hey, I like what you did, like you're so brave, I hope I can be like that for myself before. It took me a while talaga to do this, kung ano man yung ginawa ko, kasi talagang maliban sa pagdadasal, kailangan din ng yung talagang pagninilay-nilayan mo lahat.
Patuloy namin kinukunan ng pahayag si Alemania pero wala pa siyang tugon. Sa ngayon pinagtutuunan ni Rita ng pansin ang pagiging mami kay Uno. Challenging pero fulfilling daw ang journey na ito.
I still can't believe, that I have a son that's turning 2 years old. Sobrang sorya siya for me.
Nitong darating na Sabado naman, gaganap si Rita sa episode ng Magpakailanman na Abandonada. Tatalakayin sa kwento ang maraming pagsubok sa buhay ng isang nagmahal, iniwan at nag-move on. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.
Mabilis na chikahan tayo para updated sa Showbiz Happenings. Itinanggi ng magkasintahang Rian Ramos at Sam Versosa ang aligasyong nandaya umano sila sa New York City Marathon. Kasunod yan ng punang nawawala ang 3 time record ng dalawa sa 42-kilometer race. Sa isang post, ibinahagi ni Rian ang email ng organizer ng marathon, kung saan ipinaliwanag kung bakit di nakuha ang timing points nila. Sa kabila niyan, bahagi pa rin daw ng official finishers sina Rian at Sam. Angat na angat ang galing ng Pinoy contemporary at modern artists sa Manila Bank Show 2024, The Metro Art Fair sa Makati City. Masisilayan din ang obra ng iba't ibang artists mula sa probinsya. Hanggang sa Linggo, matutunghayan ang likhang sining ng hanggang 400 Filipino at foreign artists.